Hey there! Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing that's been sitting on my floor for about 2 weeks, but it took quite a long time to get here, which it's, kind of Louis Vuitton's thing nowadays. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, handbags, fine leather goods, all the things you like to treat yourself with. That is what you'll find here. It's been a minute since I filmed an actual video. I think the last video I filmed in this format was like in June sometime, and then I did a whole month of giveaways, and so I'm really out of practice, so bear with me, forgive me, and hopefully I'm surprised I didn't remember what my intro was, quite frankly. But yeah, it's been a minute, so I'm glad to be back, but also like totally out of practice. Anyway, I'm not taking myself so serious. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I do this as a hobby. I do it for fun. I share what I buy. I just talk off the cuff. I don't have scripts. I don't use AI. I don't use any of the things to, make content. It's literally just whatever I feel like talking about. So hopefully if you're just into that, you'll enjoy it here. Subscribe, hype, all the things that they make me say. They tell you to do all those things, otherwise your channel goes nowhere. But anywho, like it matters. Yeah, so this item I have, and I'll tag her, Winnie BLV, to thank for this. I believe she got the idea from some of my other friends, Dia and Laurie. So Dia from Opulent Obsessions, I believe, Opulent Obsessions 25. I can't remember her channel. I will put that also. And then Laurie from Smiling Cats Couture, all Louis Vuitton lovers as well. This is basically a hack for getting the latest packaging and the experience of Louis Vuitton items and releases that are coming out without the huge price tag of buying a $4,000 bag, because everything is becoming incredibly expensive, and there's things dropping every 5 seconds. So this is just a little way to figure out how to get those items. So all I've done so far is cracked the little seal here. As I understand, this was supposed to come with a little metal charm, and that is literally all I care about is getting this little metal charm. But it also had, I've seen some other creators that there was specialty, the boxes were like specially to this theme. They had like shopping bags. So it was a whole curation of the trunks and bags spring summer release. Really cute blue and white theme. And if you know me, I'm a packaging hoe. I love packaging. I live for it. I will order crap just to get the box. Which is stupid, but I don't care. It's what I love. It's the experience of just having the items. So I get a lot of Dior makeup just for that purpose, literally just the packaging. I still use what's inside, but that's a lot of the reasons why I buy things. So this item, as I understand, is supposed to come with everything, I hope. So I placed the order the same day I watched Winnie's video, which was probably late June, and then it went on back order and it kind of just sat there. Was it late June? I can't remember now. And here's the other funny thing. I went to look it up on my account just now and it's not there. So I was going, well, I know I ordered it on my account, and my husband occasionally orders things on his account, but I'm like, no, I know I ordered it. Had to dig through my email and I found my receipt in the email, and I was like, well, that's strange. So I have purchases that are missing from my account. I'll go into that side note at the very end and just kind of wondering if other people are encountering the same thing. But so let's dive into the box together and see where we are. So this is one of the cheapest items you can order from Louis Vuitton. Not the cheapest. The cheapest item that I'm aware of that you can order from Louis Vuitton outside of their beauty products is the travel book, which I do have one of right here. Ooh, let my Vivian fall down. The Chicago, these travel guides right here are like $40-ish. Those are like the cheapest thing you can get from LV. So if you ever need a gift for someone, I recommend getting one of those. But this would be like your next tier up, and usually an item that will come customized to whatever collections are coming out at any given time. So that is why I placed this particular order. I have several of these items and I've gotten them for different seasons and what have you. So this one just happened to still be available to purchase. Again, it went on back order. I don't know if I'm going to get all of the packaging, just or any of the packaging, quite frankly. So let's open it up and see where we are. You will get the first glimpse of it. Oh, yes. We got the shopping bag, which is really, really nice paper. It's really thick, really embossed, really nice. That's going to be a cute display piece. And then, of course, we've got the receipt in there as well. Let me put the bag right here so I don't want to lose it. I got a box too. Okay. So I got the box. Oh, cool. So I got all of it. Oh yeah, that is so cool. So I got the white box and I got the little charm. So this was the whole point of this, is this little metal cabana. Oh, awesome. This is so cute. The ribbon has really cute, like peachy beige trim on it. That's just really nice. I like that. And of course, the center of the box has the trunks and bags logo. That is so fun. But yeah, I really just wanted this. Let me take this off here so you can see it. And I want to find a way to make this into an official like ornament, but I might just keep it on the ribbon. But this little beach cabana thing, it's heavy. That is sturdy. Wow. Yes, so that was the whole purpose. That's awesome. Oh, awesome. I'm so excited. So I was like, the whole point to order this. So that right there. Yeah, so the box comes with and this is really hardcore. Have you noticed, I ordered something else not too long ago, that new style box with the push tab seems really flimsy. This is like the old school style. Wow, it's like I can barely open it. And I think when Winnie got hers, it came in what I was expecting was typically these items come in another type of packaging. So they're really inconsistent with how they package these, because the last item I got, oh my God, I can't even get it out. The last one I got of these came in that packaging, and that's typically what I see. So, oh my gosh, there's a dust bag and everything. Okay. So this is the Jane notebook. And I ended up getting this print. There were two versions of it. I believe the other one was the pink trunks and bags, like this. It might have been the beige. I can't remember I don't think it's on the website anymore, but if it is, I'll put a picture up of it. And I wanted that one, but then I thought, oh, you know, I'm just going to use it as my own notebook to carry around, and this seemed a little bit more my style. So I went with this one. This is a lot smaller than, here's my other most recent one that I picked up. And this is probably a third of the size. Wow. It seems like it has more pages, but it's definitely way smaller than I had anticipated. So there's like the thickness comparison. I guess it's the same number of pages, but why is it so much smaller? You think they would have named it a different name? Or like PM, and this is the GM. Editing Nancy, I just noticed that it does say Jane Notebook PM there on the tag. It fell out apparently when I was filming, so if I had known that, I might have thought twice, but honestly it would have. I'm still gonna buy it, what the hell. But interesting. Okay, so that's a little disappointing considering how much the cost is. I mean, it's still cute and everything, but has a paper monogram there, and then the pages are foil edged, then lined, and it says Louis Vuitton at the bottom there. They don't tear out, they're just regular stationery notebook. I wonder why that's so much smaller. So that's slightly disappointing in the sense that I anticipated getting the size I usually get, but I mean, considering all the other bonus items I got, I guess I got my money's worth. Had I bought this as a gift, I probably would have been a little bit more disappointed. I also remember in Winnie's unboxing, this had outer packaging to it. So it's kind of strange. I guess they removed the packaging and put it in the dust bag for some reason. Interesting. Are you noticing, when you buy things, are you getting inconsistent packaging? It seems very odd. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm glad that I got all of the items, but it sure seems that there isn't a lot of consistent quality in what we're seeing from LV, which is, considering the prices, not necessarily fair in the grand scheme of things. This is really pretty. Okay, so on to my musings. I've been having randomly really odd, and I mentioned it earlier, issues with my account at Louis Vuitton and the app, and so I've, orders missing. Really strangely is when on the random occasions I'll go in there, it'll say like everything is unavailable or contact an advisor, and I'm like, well, why can't I order something? This is so strange. I finally logged online and was able to order with the online website, but my app was still funky. Someone finally, I did a Reddit search, and somebody finally said, go into your settings, and somehow it kept getting reset to like an international setting. And I've never used my app outside the US, and my address is in the US, so I don't understand why it's being reset. It was really strange. So if you go in there and you see that things are not available, or it's saying everything is saying add to cart, saying contact an advisor, go into your account settings and make sure it's showing like your current location, and then all of a sudden it started working. So it was really weird. So anyway, it seemed like for a minute there I was like, did my account get blocked or what's going on? But it still hasn't repopulated with my purchase, so I'm a little bit confused as to that. So I have an outstanding or pending validation order right now for an item that is supposed to be coming, and that's what this was in for like 4 weeks. So I'm wondering if that one, once it ships, is going to go to the same like black hole and disappear. It's really, really unusual. So let me know if you're having the same kind of issues with purchasing at Louis Vuitton. I'm almost worried that certain orders will start disappearing of, you know, items that are of value. I don't know, very strange. Did you pick up one of these small little items? Are you a packaging hoe like me and like to just get things for the sake of getting a taste of luxury, as they say, or could you care less? You probably could care less. But I'm just curious. I'm wondering if anybody else is like me and just kind of lives for the experience. It's not always guaranteed when I go into my store. Like it seems like whenever I go into the Portland store, they sell out of everything like immediately. So I get better luck ordering online, and I'd love to have a dedicated associate I could talk to. Occasionally I've had luck with a Chicago associate I've worked with before, and I worked with one person in Las Vegas, but I'm not their regular client, so they're not as consistent. So I'd like to have a relationship with somebody else so I can reliably call on, especially with and I'm gonna do a video on this topic, the Louis Vuitton beauty release that's coming out soon. So yeah, anyway, so that was my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed my little ramblings. I hope to see you on the next one, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.